Hi everyone, it's Toby from CineSim. Welcome to our third CineSim tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the use of the library, adding assets to the 3D environment, including props, characters, and actions, and etc. etc. Let's get started. First, let's look at the library features in CineSim. We click on the library options in the lower left menu, and this will open a new window displaying a variety of assets. And here we have category like character and buildings and also different furnitures and lots of more different assets. And in total, we get more than 2,000. And here we also have search functions in library. The search function is a very powerful tool for you to quickly find specific items in library. So we click on here and maybe we can try to search chair. And you can see once you search chairs, we get lots of different chairs, right? And now let's add a car to the scene. So we go to the category car and we just drag one red car into our scene. Yeah, once an item is in the scene, you can transform it, that means move around, and also click E to rotate it, and also scale it up by clicking R, just like all other different objects. Next, let's add a character to our scene. So we browse to the character categories, and now you can find different MetaHumans here. So they look so realistic. And maybe we can drag MetaHuman Kai here. And next, we can add some actions to the character. We select the character and go to library and go animations, so you can get lots of different animations. Maybe I just don't know this one. What can I do? I just need to drag the animations to a character, and that's it, right? Our Kai is moving exactly what we want to do. And because we are doing storyboarding, so somehow we don't need a moving character. Maybe we just need to drag to the motions that we want, maybe this one, and stop it. So now we get a character in the right positions and in the right action we want. And last but not least, because this one is built with MetaHuman, so we get some default facial expressions. As you can see, we get 6 groups of facial expressions, and each facial expressions get different levels. You can choose how sad your character is. Let's try. A bit sad, very sad, really very sad, and want to cry. And I don't know how to describe this one, but yeah, it goes back to the normal facial expressions. You can choose the facial expressions that fit your need. With the use of the library, you can now start building and customizing your own scenes. And that's it for the proper use of the library and the search functions in CineSim. In the next video, we'll explore lighting techniques to enhance your scenes. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest tutorial. And see you next time.